Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to duplicate apps on iPhone. So if you want to duplicate any of the application you have installed on your iPhone, like you want to have a multiple of them on your iPhone screen, whether you want to have multiple WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or Snapchat application on your iPhone screen, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, you need to know that there is no duplicate application available on iPhone. If you want to duplicate application on your iPhone, there are a few things you need to do here. Otherwise, you'll not be able to duplicate the application. So to do this, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone Hype Library. On the Hype Library, locate the application you want to duplicate. So let's say I want to duplicate the WhatsApp application. Just press and hold it. Then drag it away from the Hype Library to the app icons, click outside, and then go ahead and drag the WhatsApp application again. So you can just keep dragging the WhatsApp application from the app library to your app screen until you have enough duplicated app on the app screen. So just keep doing just like this. Then once I'm done for that particular application, then repeat this again on other applications. So let's say I also want to duplicate the Facebook application. Just press and hold it again, then drag it. So once you drag it outside, place it wherever you want to place the duplicated app, then drag it again. So you can repeat this on different apps on your iPhone app library and then drag them to your iPhone home screen. So just repeat this again. So you see that? Then once you're done, just go ahead and click outside. So I have WhatsApp application duplicated here, and I also have the Facebook application duplicated here. So if I go back to my other app screen, then you can see I still have the Facebook and then the WhatsApp. So you can repeat this on other application available on your iPhone. So that is basically how to duplicate apps on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.